Very tough man, very, very tough man. And the equally tough man is Professor Watson, and we are preparing ourselves for the questions which are going to ask us tomorrow. And Mr. Morris asked me one question, and he said, Gurinder, it's less than 2 months that you have joined a new group called Alchemist, and we have gone on their website. We know that they are nowhere in education, and you are coming here and you are talking so high about your chairman, you are talking so high about your educational institutions. Tell us one good reason that why should we come to India and should accredit your institutions. And my answer to Mr. Morris was that seeing will be believing. And when you will come to India and you will look at the passion of our chairman, the way he speaks, the way he governs, the way he runs the business, you will come to know that what a great vision this gentleman has. Today he's in the United States of America on a business trip, and we are opening many, many things in the United States. We are expanding globally today. It's less than 4 months, Lee, today. Professor Watson, it's less than 4 months. If in 4 months we can convince ASIC, which is amongst the only 2 recognized government bodies in United Kingdom, to come here and accredit 5 institutions. 4 months and 5 institutions. You can see that what I told you, that what we are going to do in 5 years, you know, that where this group is going to be. So this is the vision of Mr. K.D. Singh. This is the vision and commitment of each one of us who is sitting here. I also know that the journey is very tough. But I also know that the journey which we traveled in the previous years, ASIC, we know from many, many years. In my previous years as academician, we have interacted with quite a few senior people. We know the vision of your CEO. We know your commitment in the field of education. We know the very good things you are doing across the globe, opening new institutions, accrediting them not only in UK, but also in US, in Europe, in Asia. And we are quite sure that sky is going to be limit in India also for the ASIC. There are so many similarities between the ASIC and Alchemist. And let me tell you, the personality of the 2 legends, Mr. Morris, who's the CEO, and our chairman, Mr. K.D. Singh, they're quite similar. And the ethos and the philosophies are also quite similar. Both of them, they are silent workers. If you look at the growth graph of Alchemist, you'll come to know and you'll understand it, that how this institution, how this company has grown up in less than 20 years and today is poised to be amongst the top companies of India and has a vision to become a Fortune 500 company. On this occasion, I am just reciting few lines which my chairman believes in to welcome you. And he says, go slowly in the noise and haste. Go slowly, there's so much confusion around. People will always try to bring you down, right? But the confident are those who understand that how they have to go ahead amongst all the criticism. Go slowly in the noise and haste, and remember that peace and excellent decisions can be taken in silence also. As far as possible, without surrender, be on good terms with all persons. Speak your truth quietly and firmly. This is what Mr. K.D. Singh has always preached. Speak your truth quietly, but very firmly. But at the same time, listen to the others also. Remember, even the dull and the ignorant may also have their own story to tell. There will always be peace with God. He is a strong believer that the one who prays to the God and with whom the God is there, no one can defeat him. No one can defeat him. There will always be peace with God, whatever you conceive him to be. Whatever you plan and whatever you may aspire, in the noisy confusion of life, remember always to keep peace with your own soul. With all the critics of the world, and diseases and broken dreams, it's still a beautiful world. Be cheerful, strive to be happy, be a champion, not by arrogance. Be a champion, not by arrogance or with a false pride. Be a champion by winning the human hearts. Be a golden tomorrow, be at Alchemist. This was the vision of our chairman. A huge applause for the chairman who's sitting there, but his best wishes are with all of you. I also want to thank each one of my senior colleagues who are sitting here. Excellent, excellent, excellent colleagues. And let me tell you, few of the seniors are here and few are in the office. from the last 2 months, many of us, we have not even slept. Preparing 700 pages documents, 37 documents was not an easy task. So from the bottom of my heart, I want to thank each one of you who is sitting here and those who are sitting in the office but were continuously encouraging us. I want to thank the driver, right, who was driving us late home. I want to thank those who were sitting somewhere but were organizing the things for us very silently, right, not even showing that what they are doing. Right? I want to thank each and every individual who sat with me on the lunch table and always encouraged me and told me that there is a hope and I'm sure that you are going to do it. Today is indeed a historical day, and let me tell you, Mr. Watson, Mr. Lee, you are not a friend, but we are going to make it happen. This is our strong commitment. You know what we did 15 years back. Right? 15 years back, I made a statement, if you remember, and Mr. Morris knows it. I made a statement at LSE that I'm going to make a group, a proud group of India. Today, I'm making a statement here in front of all of you on behalf of my chairman that we are going to make Alchemist Universe of Education not only the best in India, but the best in the whole Asia, and the people are going to watch it. For my all friends, I will only recite 2 lines, and this is my tribute to you, and this is what I feel from my heart for all those who very silently work for us. And those 2 lines are, "Inhe bhi yaad rakhein," because history will repeat. Alchemist will surely become the best. But we will always remember ASIC, we will always remember our friends. And this phrase goes, "Inhe bhi yaad rakhein, jab likhein taarif Gulshan ki." Because there are many people who have worked very hard. "Inhe bhi yaad rakhein, jab likhein तारीफ गुलशन की, इन्होंने भी लुटाया था चमन में आशिया." Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Now I will invite Major General O'Brien. And before I invite him, I would like to read his brief profile. Major General O'Brien has been active soldiering for 37 years before superannuating from the Indian Army. He has fought the Kargil War and has won various awards and has commanded the largest division of Indian Army on the border of China. Has been the Director General of Selection of Officers and Recruitment of the Indian Army. He has been instructed in various defense institutes of learning, has published many papers on strategic and economic issues, and has worked on various defense-related projects in several countries of Europe and Asia. In his administrative and management experience, he has also been looking after the functioning of Army schools on K+12 veteran in Army stations. Educational learning has been a passion for the General. He's qualified as MPhil in Strategic Management. He's triple MBA in the different fields of management, Masters in Adult Education, University Gold Medal, Masters in Human Rights, and Masters in Science. Not satisfied, he is now pursuing his PhD in Management. In Alchemist, the General is holding the position of Group Executive Director of the company. May I please invite Major General O'Brien to